Want to make an extra $100 a day using AI? Here's exactly how you can use ChatGPT to start earning today, even if you have zero experience. Step 1. Offer freelance writing services using ChatGPT. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig. You can select services like blog writing, social media posts, or website copy. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write high-quality content in minutes. Simply type your client's topic request, and it will generate blog posts, captions, or product descriptions instantly. Step 3. Always edit and personalize the AI content. Add your unique voice or adjust the tone to fit your client's brand. This ensures quality and avoids generic-sounding text. Step 4. Deliver your finished content to the client and offer upsells like SEO optimization or additional posts to increase your earnings per order. And Step 5. Repeat this process. If you charge $20 per blog post, completing 5 short articles a day earns you $100. As you gain reviews, you can raise your prices and earn even more. This is just one simple way to use ChatGPT to make money daily. If you want more AI-powered income ideas, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for daily videos on growing your income with AI.